Dear freshers, welcome to Ganpat University Institute of Computer Technology, where technology shapes tomorrow and future-ready engineers are built.
A place where innovation begins a curiosity, where every concept becomes a practical solution.
When learning goes beyond coding and transform into the real-world problem solution.
Here, you will learn with industry-focused program, BTech Computer Science and Engineering in collaboration with IBM.
You will explore AI and machine learning, cybersecurity and data science offered by industry collaborations.
Protect the digital world through cybersecurity.
Transform data into powerful insights with big data analytics.
Master programming, build intelligent applications and solve tomorrow's challenges.
Our smart classrooms, supercomputer lab, libraries, and advanced computing facilities are ready to empower your journey.
Learn from expert faculty and gain industry exposure through IBM-led training.
Build innovative projects, think creatively, and develop new technologies that create impacts.
Prepare for global careers with intensive certifications and placement support.
Let's code, let's innovate.
Let's secure. Let's create intelligence.
Let's build the future.
Welcome to Ganpat University Institute of Computer Technology, where future-ready engineers are built.
See you on campus.